good to see y'all. All right, let's talk about the treble clef. All the clefs appear on 5 lines and 4 spaces. Okay? The treble clef by the way, if you want to buy me markers for my birthday, that would be fine. I would accept those. Apparently, I need to get some new ones. Okay, treble clef is also known as the G clef, and the reason it's known as the G clef is because this little curlicue here surrounds the G line. Okay? And as we know, he says, going for yet another marker, as we know, the musical alphabet goes from A to G and then starts over at A again. As we go up, we move forward in the alphabet, and as we go down, we move backward in the alphabet. So if we know this is the G line, then we'll know that after G, we start the alphabet over. So that's the A space. After the A space comes the B line, the C space, the D line, the E space, the F line, the G space on top, and then we get into ledger lines, A, and we go on from there. Moving backward in the alphabet, before G is F. Maybe more of my board than the marker. Okay, we'll just keep moving around. F, E line, D space, and then when we get down here on ledger lines, down to C. Okay, so if you know that the alphabet going forward is up and going backward is down, really all you need to know to find your notes is that treble clef is known as the G clef. Because then it's just a matter of counting up in the alphabet and backward in the alphabet. Okay, forward and backward. All right, there are a couple of other little things you can use. The lines, you'll see, it's kind of a game to see which color works. Every good boy deserves fudge. You've heard that one a lot, I'm sure, in elementary school. But if you start on the 5 lines, and we always count from bottom to top, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th line. Let me say that again, because that's going to be really important you understand that when you take your quiz here in a minute. We always count the lines bottom to top, and the spaces bottom to top. Okay, so this is the first line, and the second line, the third line, the fourth line, and the 5th line. And this is the first space, second space, third space, fourth space. Okay? I think Mr. Arnett's going to Staples tomorrow if it's still open. So anyway, E, G, B, D, F are the lines. Every good boy deserves fudge. And starting here with the F I've already written on the spaces are F, A, C, E. They spell the word face. F-A-C-E. So between knowing every good boy deserves fudge and F-A-C-E, and knowing that treble clef is the G clef, and the alphabet, which is A through G, as you go up, moves forward in the alphabet, and as you go down, moves backward in the alphabet. Between all those little things, you're going to be able to find any note you want on the treble clef. I'm sure of it. Okay? Ledger lines are just an extension. So if the bottom line's E, the space below it is D. Then the line is C. Then the note below the line is B. Then the note on 2 lines down is A, and so on and so forth. Moving backward in the alphabet because we're moving down. As we move up, top line's F, first space is G, first ledger line's A, on top of that ledger line is B, 2 ledger lines is C, and there you go. Okay? So feel free to take this and review this as much as you want. All right? But it's important that we're able to identify these things, not just sing the pitches. Okay? If you have any questions for me, let me know. I'll be here 8 to 3. And then once you finish this, you can move on to the quiz to double check yourself to make sure you know it. Okay? Talk to you guys soon. Bye.